Well, it's a new stadium, it's a new pitch, so that experience. I mean, once we play more games, we'll get to know about the pitch. But it's a beautiful stadium. You know, we all are enjoying here. We had a gym session yesterday. Today we did a net session. So yes, all of us are looking forward to play again here. I played last year in 2012, and I had fond memories of playing against England in 2012. So yes, I mean all of us are looking forward for this test match. Whether we have experience, I mean playing more. The stadium got ready, and we didn't have so many games after that because of COVID. So that can't be controlled. But yeah, I mean I feel that. Whatever is there, whatever situation is there in front of us, we will just like to, accept it and then move on. Not at all. See, it was a different ball game altogether. We were playing in Australia. The ball was, seaming around a lot, and we had a one bad session, or I would say 1 or 1.5 hours of poor batting led us to a disaster. But I felt that overall, if you look at the first innings in the Australian Test match, we were still in a dominating position. So and we were playing in Australia. Here we are playing in our familiar condition. The ball is also different. We are playing with SG ball, and guys have played a test match with the SG ball. So we are very confident that we'll put up a good show, and we will not try and look back at what has happened in the past, and we would like to be in present and focus on our preparations. Well, I can't talk about the team selection, but it's good he's back in his rhythm. When it comes to team selection, I'm not allowed to say anything at this stage. We still have a few more days before the game, but it's good to see him back in his rhythm, and I've been talking to him, so yeah, he looks in good nick, and let's see. I mean, depending on the team's combination, the management will take a call on him being part of the playing 11. Well, sometimes if you are playing on a turning track, you find it difficult, but at the same time, it wasn't a dangerous pitch at all. When the ball spins, people find it difficult to score runs, especially overseas teams. When they don't have such pitches, it's a bit difficult for them. But at the same time, when we go overseas, when we play on a seaming track, and if the game finishes in 3 or 4 days, then we still have to play on such pitches where there's a lot of grass, where there is a lot of seam movement. So when it comes to turning tracks, I don't think you can define with whether the ball should spin this much or that much. I mean, it's a very thin line in that way. So I don't think it was a bad pitch. Yes, it always becomes difficult in the second innings, and that is how it is. Even when we play in Australia on day 4 or day 5, if there are cracks, pitch becomes little dangerous, where hot ball will hit the crack and it might take off. So as a team, I don't think we had any issues, and I'm sure even opposition teams, once they are used to it, once they start playing more matches on such pitches, they will also figure out a way. No, first of all, I'm really glad to be part of the IPL. It's good to be back again, and yeah, I mean, I would like to thank CSK team for picking me. But at the same time, when I'm talking about county cricket, I'll still have enough time before we play the England Test series. So once IPL gets over, there'll be a window where I can play a few county games. But that call I'll take once IPL gets over, or even midway through the IPL. But there'll be enough time to play some county games, and we have some couple of practice games before the test series begins in August. So there's plenty of time to play county cricket, but it's always good to be back in the IPL. No, nothing on that part. But I always want to play shorter format of the game, and it's good to be part of IPL, which has produced so many great cricketers, and some young talented players which we have got from IPL, which has helped the Indian team also. So yes, I mean my focus once this test series gets over will be on the IPL, and then once IPL gets over, then I'll think about county games, and there is a big series coming up against England in August, and we are very hopeful that we'll play the World Test Championship finals as well, which is in June. So there's plenty of cricket after the IPL, and one thing at a time. I think at this stage I would try and focus on the next two test matches, because both the test matches are very important for us to qualify for the World Test Championships final. So yes, I mean one thing at a time, and one game at a time. I think the pink ball test match is also very important. So I'll try and focus on that first.